Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,602. It also made high of 34,629 and today's low at 34,531. So not even 100 points trade in today's session since morning. Currently it is trading at a higher point of the day after making a high around 34,629. So let's quickly find out the resistance and support, and of course we will also assess the trend of the market now. Dow Jones support, but before that Dow Jones resistance now at 34,710, Dow Jones support at 34,470. Currently Dow Jones is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if Dow Jones break 34,710 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 34,900 and even 35,200. Let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading at highest point of the day. Today is high at 4235.50 and it is trading at 4235 almost. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Then we will assess the trend. Incidentally, it is also trading at lifetime high. It is trading at all-time high. Support at 4218, resistance at 4251. Currently S&P is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if S&P break 4218 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect S&P to test around 4190 and even 4150 is possible. Let's move on to Nasdaq, then we will see gold, silver and euro. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 13,866 after making a high of 13,872. Interestingly, it has resistance at 13,900 and that is what Nasdaq needs to break in order to return to positive. Until it is in weak zone, and support now stands at 13,720. Currently Nasdaq is in weak zone till market is not able to break 13,900. If Nasdaq break 13,900 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Nasdaq to test around 14,100 and 14,300. Let's move on to commodity pack now. This is gold chart. Currently gold prices are trading 1894 after making a high of 1896. It also made low of 1887. Yesterday I have given a sell signal to my subscriber at 1892. We have booked profit around 1884. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. Currently gold is trading 1894. Still it is trading in weak zone. Current resistance now stands at $1,901. Gold support now $1,882. Currently it is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if gold break 1901 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect 1910 and 1920. Let's quickly move on to silver. After that we will see euro and bitcoin. This is silver hourly chart. I have also given silver sell signal to my subscriber yesterday. It has achieved the target. As usual, if you want to avail paid buy sell signal, my number is in description. Silver resistance now stands at 2785. Silver support would be now 2740. Currently silver is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to euro now. After that we will see bitcoin. This is euro chart. Since yesterday it is trading in 20 to 30 pips range and it is not able to move beyond 2200. Let's hope it moves above 2200 in order to return to positive. Currently it is trading in a very narrow range, so let's quickly find out the resistance and support. Euro resistance stands at 2210. Euro support stands at 2160. Currently euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to bitcoin now. This is bitcoin chart. Currently it is trading almost 5% up from its last night's closing. Interestingly, some South American country, I think El Salvador, has agreed to Bitcoin, I meant that they will be using Bitcoin as a legal tender. So that's what pumped the Bitcoin prices today. Current support stands at $33,100. Bitcoin resistance at $36,000. Currently Bitcoin is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. If you have enjoyed this video or if you find this video useful, do not forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. For regular market updates, consider following me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in description. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.